In this video, we're gonna figure out how to make a so-called Godmode folder on Windows 10. Now, the term Godmode really is just something power users came up with back in the day when you could actually add a name to this folder. In recent Windows 10 updates, they removed that ability, but you can still create this folder, and what it is basically an advanced control panel which has all kinds of tools and features that are already in Windows 10, but they have added way better names and clear terms, so you actually know exactly what you're looking for. Now, real quick before we get started, go to the YouTube video description and copy the first line of text that is in the very beginning of the description. Alright, so now that you copied the name from the description of the video, right click on your desktop and make a new folder. Once you've done that, all you need to do is just paste the name you copied as the name of the folder and press enter. That's all you need to do. Now just double click on the folder and you have opened up your awesome new settings. As you can see, there is so many different options to choose from, and they all have very descriptive names, so it makes it a lot easier to find anything you might need here. The key here is that otherwise you would have to know exactly what you're looking for in order to search it up from the start menu. But now you can see they're explained very well, and it's very easy to find exactly what you're looking for, and maybe even something you weren't looking for but ends up being very useful. For example, these power options and network options and all your drivers and whatever else you might ever need. Probably the biggest issue with this folder is that it has a weird icon and it doesn't have a name, so it's kinda annoying to keep around. It used to be possible to just add any text before the dot in the name of the folder, which is why people used to just add Godmode before it. This is why it was called Godmode previously, but this feature was removed in a recent Windows 10 update, so you can no longer actually rename this folder. In order to bypass this issue, we can actually create a new shortcut and change the name and icon of that, which works even better. Now, in order to make this shortcut work, you need to right click on your desktop and click on New and Shortcut, and this will open up the shortcut wizard. Then click on to the YouTube description and copy and paste the path shown there at the top, and just paste it in the shortcut wizard text box. And once it looks like this in the video, just click on Next. And then you can choose any name you want for your shortcut. For example, you could just name it Godmode if you want to go with the old school convention, but you can name it whatever you want. And then once you're done, click on Finish. As you can see, the shortcut appears on your desktop, and if you click it, the Godmode folder will open as normal. Finally, as in a few of the other videos we've made about pinning things to your taskbar, we're gonna show you how to change the icon to something that looks way better than this default one. And to do that, go to Properties and change icon. Then click on Browse at the top. And once you're in this folder, System32, under C, Windows and System32, you need to look for a file called imageres.dll. And you can find it easily by typing it into the file name path and it will show up. Just click on that to select it and then click on Open. And this will open up all these better looking icons. And then simply just click on any cool looking one like this one down here. And then just click on OK on both of these. Once you've done that, you can see your icon changed and your shortcut should be able to be dragged to the taskbar and should work as normal. You can also delete the shortcut from your desktop now and it will still continue working as it should. Now just have fun browsing all the cool settings and I'll see you in the next one.